Hey guys, it's Mike from Outdoor Element. I wanted to show a couple features of our Phoenix Talon today. Particularly, if you open this up, you'll see that there is a replaceable gut hook. It's now the official blade of Beyond the Hunt with Rick and Julie. We all love a good gut hook, so if you need to field dress an animal, it's convenient to have. However, we've found after we talked to several hunters that most of us love a gut hook, but when it comes time to resharpen them, it's not the easiest nor the funnest. And so sometimes we'll take the knife and ship it out, have it done, or we'll try to do it ourselves with those round files. And so what we did, we tried to make things pretty simple. We wanted to make it replaceable and yet still have that rigid, thick tang. So when you attach it here, it has all that stiffness. So when you're field dressing, you should feel really comfortable and work really well. So what we want to do, pretty simple. This is a P1 Phillips head. It should fit that those screws pretty easy, and you're just gonna pull those out, and yeah, should be that easy. These guys would pop out, pop out the blade, and then you get your replacement. There's a little tang in there, a little notch, and I guess notch and tang, and they will slide in. The replacements, I think it comes with 3 blades and I think a few extra screws just in case you happen to strip one. And then you would screw these guys back in, and you should be ready to go. And it is that simple. We call it the Phoenix Talon because it has a little feature. We have a little flint wheel back here you can start a fire with. I mostly would use it like with a camp stove. There's a pocket rocket by MSR. So maybe you're getting your mountain house, you want to boil the water for the mountain house, and so you just turn on the stove, go that way. Or for an emergency, if you're out there and maybe you're field dressing an animal, it's getting late and you need to start a fire, you can also take a piece of tinder, and so you can pull this guy apart, get your other kindling ready, get those little fibers showing, and you're gonna lay a spark here and get the fire going that way. Pretty easy to do. So this Talon can also hold extra blades. So if you're out field dressing, you realize, oh man, this is dull, I didn't realize it. You can actually put one of these blades inside the handle, which fits right here. And so you can remove that by, if you have the Phoenix feather, the back end should fit right into those slotted screws. So put it in there, and I'm just gonna start turning, and then we can get this one out. And this guy here, you can go here as well, or you can use one of our Kodiak survival bracelets or woolly mammoths. The striker plate actually fits into the slotted portion of that screw. I'll use this for now, it's a little faster. And you can see you can store a rubber band, a couple of tinders. This one has a bit, and when you purchase the Phoenix Talon, it should have come with a packet, so you'll have a bit and then a screwdriver, and then there's your extra gut hook if you want to replace it. And so what you can do is you can utilize your Phoenix feather, drop this little guy in here, and then use that rubber band and kind of fix them in place. And then that way you're not losing your bit. And then now you can go and loosen, locked in place here. There you go. Now you can go and loosen your screws or tighten them. But it's that easy. If you're in a pinch and you're out in your field dress and you realize, oh man, I need to replace that, you can do that. I obviously recommend doing it at the house and preparing for your hunt, but hopefully that helps you, and good luck and explore with confidence. Thanks guys.